Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Children, are you ready with your maths book? Page 19.
Good morning.
Page 19. Switch off your mics, please, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch off your mic. Be ready. Open to page 19. Write classwork and write today's date. Parents, please let the child open the book on his or her phone. Who has joined with the ID of AA? Please switch on your camera. Who has joined with the ID which is showing AA? Capital A's, double A. Yeah, please switch on your camera. I need to see the camera, your face. Devansh, switch on your camera. Izan, switch on your camera. Izan, I want to see your camera switched on. Okay, children. Izan, I need to see your face, child. Yatharth, why are you crying, child? Okay. You've written classwork in today's date? Okay. Look at each group, circle the number that tells you how many are there in each group. Now there are few groups, boxes. There are some things in the boxes, some things, some pictures. You have to count the number, and उसी group के नीचे the numbers are written, where you have to write, circle the number जो उस group में है. So Hashvi, switch on your mic. Hashvi, switch on your mic, child. Yes.
Yes.
What can you see in the first group? How many? Count.
Ma'am, 4.
4. So what will you do now? You will circle
4.
4. Very good. All of you circle the number 4 in this.
Ma'am, you.
Ajayant, switch off your mic, child. Okay. Next, Yatharth Shukla, switch on your mic, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, count the next one.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. 2.
मेरी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है. Can you all hear me, children? If you can hear me, raise your hand, please. If you can hear me, raise your hand. Cheyenne can hear me very nicely. Very good. Yes. A lot of... That means there is something wrong at your end, Yatharth, okay? Yatharth, count and see how many are there.
2.
Very good. So what will you do?
Not coming.
What will you do, Yatharth? Ayansh, there is something wrong at your end, child. Yatharth, circle number 2. The rest of you also. Nishkar, have you circled the number?
2. Done.
You don't have to say done, beta. Once you finish, I'll understand. Okay. What was I going to ask? Ishanvi, the next one. Ishanvi, switch on your mic.
Yeah.
Count the next one.
One, two.
Ishanvi, you are not paying attention. We have already done this 1, 2, 1. We are on the next one now. Count. Ishanvi, we have already done that. Count the next one.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Count again. ईशानवी काउंट अगेन. आप ईशानवी को मत बताइए. लेट हर लिसन टू माई वॉइस प्लीज.
7, 8, 9, 10.
ईशानवी चाइल्ड बेटा, तुम ध्यान नहीं दे रही हो मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. नेक्स्ट बॉक्स में जो आइसक्रीम्स हैं प्लीज काउंट दोज.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, how many ice creams are there?
6.
And which number are you going to circle, Ishanvi? 6. Okay, all of you circle number 6 now. Nishkart, count the next one, please. Nishkart, count the next one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so which number are we going to circle now?
8, ma'am.
Very good. Circle.
8.
Circled.
8.
Okay, circle, beta, circle. Once you give the answer, children, please switch off your mic immediately. Otherwise, the rest of the class will not be able to hear me. Shayan, count the next one.
Three.
Count. 1, 2, 3. Very good.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, now which number are we going to circle? 3. Circle 3, all of you. Achint, the next one.
There are 6 hairs.
Achint, the next one.
There are 6 hairs.
Very good. So please circle number 6. Turn the page, children. Write classwork. Write today's date. Let Saida do it on her own, please. Turn the page. Classwork. Today's date, children. Vidushi, can I see you? कार्तिक अग्रवाल की आईडी से कौन है? विदुषी, आई कांट सी यू.
Maybe I can have it.
What is your... Beta, I can't hear you.
Just hold beta.
Lavik Agarwal, you have not been joining classes, so I can't remember the faces, children. Please be regular. Okay, have you turned the pages right? Now, in this picture, there are different kinds of animals. अलग-अलग animals की picture दी हुई है. So you have to count the number and then write in front of the animal. Now the first one, there are 9 crabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Circle के सामने लिखा हुआ है. Okay. The next one, I want Veronica. Veronica, switch on your mic, please. Yes, Veronica. Count the next one, child.
Okay, ma'am. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Again, count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So in front of the bees, we will write 8. Write 8, children. Lavik, switch on your mic, please. Lavik, switch on your mic. Lavik, where are you, child? You were here just now. Where are you now?
बोलो मैं बोलो मैं बोलो Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Lavik, count the next. Count the next one.
मैं बता रहा हूँ 9 क्या है?
एक मिनट प्लीज वेट लविक वेट लविक की मम्मी अगर आप उसके पास में प्लीज हट जाइए एंड लेट हिम काउंट ऑन हिज ओन एंड टेल मी द आंसर। आप ये सोच लिए कि वो स्कूल में है, घर पे नहीं है। लविक काउंट प्लीज। काउंट लाउडली।
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
तुम क्या चीज काउंट कर रहे हो बेटा? हाँ,
केकेला.
that is not kekada, that is crab. Crabs we have already done. Bees we have already done. We are on the next one now. That is why your camera should be on all the time. Now which one is it?
1, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What are you counting? Bees we have already done. We have already done. Lavik, go on to the next one.
क्या करो दूसरा बता दो
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What is the answer, Lavik?
D. D.
क्या चीज काउंट करी है तुमने? क्या चीज? आप हिंदी मीडियम में पढ़ रहे हैं कि इंग्लिश मीडियम में? We have already counted the bees. Now we are going to count the spiders. You are not paying attention. Now see where the spiders are. Where are the spiders? Can you see the spiders in your book? Now count the number of spiders.
7.
Count the number and tell me. I don't want your mother answering. You should count and tell me.
8, 9,
How many?
7.
7. Yes. Okay. Write 7 in the. Suknoor, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
The next one, Suknoor. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
क्या चीज काउंट कर रही हो बेटा?
Duck. Duck.
We have to count the giraffe now. Right? See how many giraffes are there?
1, 2.
Laiba, your name is Suknoor. Then let Suknoor answer, please. 2. Yes, Suknoor, 2. Very good. Arsalan. Arsalan, the next one, child.
Bird.
How many?
6 birds.
And how many are there? Count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. 6. Laiba, the next one. Laiba, switch on your mic. Yes. The next one. No. Let Laiba think and count. Let us see what picture we are on. हाँ Laiba, बोलो बेटा. 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Devansh. Devansh, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
The next one.
Yes.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Please let Devansh think and answer, see and answer. Please don't answer on his behalf. Devansh,
Monkeys.
how many monkeys? 5 monkeys, are you sure? Count again. Count again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many monkeys, Devansh?
4 monkeys.
Right, 4 monkeys. Right. All of you write 4. Myra Tandon, the last one.
यहाँ बुक नहीं है.
Oh, okay, no problem. I need someone. Havira. Havira, the next one, please.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's go on to the next one. Count the objects and write the number names. Abhi tak we were writing numbers. Now we will count and write the number name in the box given below the picture. Right? The first one, there are 7 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is written as a number name in the box under the picture. Now the next one, Ayansh, do you have a book in front of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the next one?
Next.
Huh? No.
Penguin.
हाँ, penguin. कितने penguin है?
Ma'am, 1.
Okay, what is the spelling of 1?
Warning.
Right, very good. Write in the box, all of you. Fazilat, the next one. Please count.
9.
Very good. And what is the spelling of 9?
N-I-N-E. 9.
Good. Write in the box, all of you. Adya Verma, the next one, child. Count.
How many?
Child.
How many?
Wait, Adya.
Child.
Adya, wait.
6
Adya.
boys.
Yes. The spelling of 6?
S-I-X.
Good.
6.
Write in the black box over there, and please don't tell her the spelling. It's a very simple spelling. They know the spellings. Arshi Fatima is Nabiha. Okay, Nabiha, and the next one child. Nabiha, count. You don't have to.
M4.
What is the spelling of 4?
M4.
Very good. Right, F-O-U-R. Vidushi, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your camera, please. Count.
Ma'am, 2 cats.
Okay, spelling.
TWO2.
Very good. Right. Let's go on to page 21, children. Page 21, write classwork and today's date. Okay, now on this page, the number is given and you have to circle उतने number के objects. First one में 5 लिखा था, 5 strawberries को circle कर दिया है, right? The next one is 4. So now pick up your pencil and start circling, children. The first one, 4 puzzles, puzzle pieces you have to circle. अच्छे से करना. Akshay, let Akshay do it. Please point out मत करिए, उसको खुद करने दीजिए. Let him know where he has to look. उसको देखने दीजिए कहाँ देखना है, उसको खुद करने दीजिए. अक्षय अपने आप करो बेटा. Do it on your own. Next one is 8. There are 8 pizza pieces. Please circle. Circle में तुम्हारे 8 pieces आना चाहिए सिर्फ. Your Myra, you are not doing anything. अच्छा, you don't have a book, child. I'd forgotten. You don't have a book. Okay. Done? Next one. 10 diamonds. Swastika Avasthi, where are you? You sent me a present, but I can't see you, child. I have to see you. Please raise your hand, Swastika Avasthi.
Ma'am, I have done.
Swastika Avasthi, if you are in class, please raise your hand.
Mama, I have done.
Laiba, you don't have to tell me you have done. Please switch off your mic. You are not to switch on your mic unless you have to ask me something or I ask you to. The next one, please circle 2 envelopes. Is Swastika Avasthi present in my class? If yes, please switch on your camera. Devansh and Hanifa, I want to see your camera switched on. Hanifa. That means Hanifa is not in class, right? Hanifa, if your camera is switched off. Hanifa, if your camera is switched off, you are not in class, child.
मैम कैमरा काम नहीं कर रहा मैम, बहुत देर से इसी पे पड़े हुए हैं हम लोग. नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं ठीक कर लूंगी मैम, अभी अब ऐसे कंसीडर कर लीजिए प्लीज. एमी बोलो, बताओ.
Okay. Next, 7 packets. Okay, Hanifa, it's okay. Next class, I want to see your face in my class.
Okay, okay, right.
Next one is 7 parcels or packets or gifts, whatever it is. Nishkat finished. Ishanvi, beta, I see you sitting in class. I don't see you doing anything, child. तुम पेंसिल हाथ में लेके कैमरे में देखती रहती हो केवल? Next, 3 scissors. And the last one is 9 toffees. Right. Finish this work, children. Close your maths work. Yes, Hashvi, you want to ask something? कुछ पूछना है बेटा? नहीं. Okay. So 15 minutes break, children, and be ready with your GK book and pencil in the next period. Today we have GK. Last Friday we had missed out. No, we hadn't missed out. Sorry, we did GK. So we'll meet after 15 minutes. Bye bye for now, children.